this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. This is where I do educational and how-to videos. I publish my videos 3 times a week, and so today I'm going to show you how to use a split screen, or how to do the split screen effect in iMovie. So please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. And I'm going to start a new project. Enter. Okay, so we're going to do the overlay effect in iMovie in order to create a split screen. So I have this clip that I found on pixabay.com, and I don't have to give attribution, and it's free. So I'm just going to click on it and drag it down. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Now we're going to take our second clip, which is my outro. I'm just using it as a random clip. And we're going to drag it down over top of our clip. So right now we have 2 clips. So it cuts away to this one right now, because we are under cutaway. So we don't want to be in cutaway. Side by side. So click on side by side now. So now you will see both clips side by side. So if I play the first clip, it should come in right next to the next one. So that's a split screen. So there's a couple things that we can still do to make the split screen even better. You know, like in films and stuff where you see like Orange and the New Black, where they have a telephone call or something like that from jail, so you can see one person on the phone talking to the next person, and there's kind of like a transition in between. Well, all you have to do in that case is when you're doing your overlay or your side by side, you can start with the left and have it kind of roll in, or you can start with the right and have it roll in. So I'm gonna have this slide in, and so if I press play, it's gonna slide in from the left. So pause it, and we can do the same thing and have it slide in from the right instead. Ta-da! Alright, so this video has been how to do a split screen with 2 videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.